Hey guys, welcome back for another formula function tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you guys how to connect one cell to another. No formula, no calculation, just a link. Now, the question I have here is, what is Alex's yearly playing time? So Alex is over here, right? Yearly playing time is over here. So that means his playing time is 500. Now, if you type in 500 here and then decide, oh, actually he plays 3 times a day and press enter, your table over here is going to be fine because all the calculations and formulas are all linked up. Let me show you. So if we change this to 3, everything's going to recalculate. 62.5, 62.5, and now it's true. Everything's fine. However, this 750 over here is now incorrect. Oh, well, correct. Sorry, the 500 is incorrect. So what we want to do is link up these two cells so that whenever 750 changes, this cell over here also changes. So the way to do that is so simple, and this thing is so powerful when you use it correctly. So all you got to do is, so simple, equals, and select the cell, 750. Enter. That's it. All right, so if we change this back to 2, watch what happens over here. All right, ready? 2, 10, 4, and so on. This is the power of Excel. You never have to redo calculations. Once you've set it up, you can have just inputs, put your inputs in, and the whole thing is calculated for you. It is, if you are as lazy as me, this program is going to save your life and make it look like you are the hardest working person in the world when really you're not. You're just, very smart about how to use Excel. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.